Alright, welcome to this short demo, everyone. So when you are done creating your e-commerce store, you have a unique link, a unique URL that you can share with people or your statuses. You can share to their personal account. And when they log in, when they click on your URL, it brings them to your store. And what they see at first is your banner describing what you are into. You don't have a banner, you get a banner, your logo, and a brief description about your business. They can also chat with you here with your WhatsApp. You can put your WhatsApp number here. They click and chat with you directly. If you have a website, a functional website, you put the address here. It is optional. If you don't have a website, your store will still be up and running. Your address too, just for to put credibility to your store, you can add your address, and even your social media pages, you can add them here. So where they read this is your store. When you navigate to your store, you can see the menu at the down part of your store. We have the home, the store, the cart, and the settings. So when they come to your store, this is where they see all your products you have uploaded, all your products you are selling. You can upload up to 50 products, different kind of products. You can sell anything here. Whatever you sell, you put it here with their prices, the name of the product, with their prices, the number of items of that particular product available. You can also put it there. So let's assume a customer can want to buy, and you can categorize your product. Very important. Like here, I have a category for design. So these are products under design flyer. I have a category for bags. I have a category for shoes. So when something loads, you see all these categories. So it depends on what you are selling. You can categorize all your products, and you can also have them assembled under all products and menu. So let's assume a customer wants to buy this fish bag. So for customer to buy, the customer will click on Add to Cart. When the customer clicks on Add to Cart, you check the cart menu at the bottom side of your screen. You see there's a description that an item, a single item has been added. If the customer wants to increase the item, maybe the customer wants 2 items, add 2 items of this fish bag, the customer can increase the item here with the plus sign. You can also reduce the item with the minus sign. If the customer wants to pick another product too, maybe aside from the fish bag, the customer wants to buy the lion bag too, the customer will still have to click on Add to Cart. And from there, that means the customer is picking 2 different products. So for the customer to check out, the customer has to click on the cart option. You have the cart option here. That's why you have the description of what the customer is buying. Customer, we have description. Yes, we are buying fish bag. The price is 4,000. You are buying a lion bag. The price is 5,000. So your total price is what? 9,000. So the customer can click on continue to check out. When you click on continue, you have the payment method here. The payment method is Paystack. There are other payment methods available when you create your store. There's another one called Pay Later. Pay Later means when you come to me, when I deliver the product to you, you pay me instantly at the Pay Later. But for Paystack, meaning before you can check out the product, you have to pay online. And when the customer pays you, the money reflects in your Nigerian account or any account you are using instantly. So we have brief information you have to collect concerning about the customer, just a brief information the customer will fill, and the customer can click on continue, place order. So the country code of and the phone number of the customer will be confirmed, and order will be placed so that the customer can pay on Paystack. Paystack is a fintech app that allows Nigerians to receive money from anywhere in the world. You can be in the comfort of your room and you receive money from anywhere in the world. Very safe, very secured. So from here, the customer can pick whichever platform he wants using Paystack. Okay, pay with card. That means you are paying with your ATM card. So the customer inputs all the ATM card details, the expiry number, the CVC, and they pay the amount, the total amount for the purchase he or she has made. And from there, you receive the alert that the customer has paid, and you also receive the description of what the customer has paid for. The same thing, the customer at his own end will receive the invoice of everything he has ordered and he has paid. And the customer will also receive your phone number, your WhatsApp phone number, so that he can share with you directly on when you are bringing the product and the likes. So this is how your e-commerce platform works. Thank you.